Today, we're going to be talking about a smartwatch that has been getting a lot of attention out there. Mostly from people who want a budget, rugged smartwatch, feature-packed and great outdoors without spending a fortune. So, we're going to talk about the KKTICK Tank T6, a military-grade GPS smartwatch with offline maps, GPS route navigation, Bluetooth calling, TWS earbuds control, and more than 100 sport modes. All of this for under $100. Let's start the review. Before we start the review, Thiago here. Welcome back, or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review. Starting with the unboxing, the box is well detailed and has loads of information about the watch. As soon as you open the box, you can see the watch itself. In the box, you have also a spare band, orange band. I prefer this one actually, so this is the one I'm using it. And a spare earbuds. Really nice. But let's move on and let's start with the design, because this is the first thing you notice. The Tank T6 comes in a full metal case that immediately feels premium. It's solid and has that rugged outdoor look that makes you feel like you could take it hiking, camping, or even to work in any environments without worrying about it. The strap is a standard 22mm size, so you can swap it for any strap you like. But the include one is comfortable and built for long wear. Also, they have a second one like I mentioned before, the orange one, that I really prefer. On the front, you get the 1.43 inches AMOLED display with 466 by 466 resolution, and it's an always on screen. That's something you usually only see in high-end watches. The colors are bright, the blacks are deep, and outdoors in sunlight it stays perfectly visible. For a rugged watch at this price, the display is honestly impressive. Now, the real power of the Tank T6 is in its GPS features. It uses the AG235-2B GPS chipset, which locks onto satellites quickly and stays stable even in tricky environments like forests or city streets. You can import GPX, EML, and FIT files, which means you can load your own custom routes. If you are a runner, cyclist, or hiker, or someone who likes exploring new trails, this is a huge deal. You can literally plan your route on your computer, drop into your watch, and follow it turn by turn. And yes, it has offline maps. That means you don't need your phone, you don't need data, and you don't need a signal. The maps are stored directly on the watch thanks to the 4GB of internal storage. So, even if you are completely off-grid, the Tank T6 still guides you. For a watch under $100, that's crazy value. Another thing outdoor users will appreciate is the barometer. The LOBP001MB sensor. It gives you elevation data, weather pressure trends, and helps you more accurate tracking during hikes or climbs. Combined with the DA267 pedometer sensor, and you get reliable step tracking and movement detection. The Tank T6 also syncs your data directly to Strava, which is something many budget watches don't offer. If you are someone who tracks your runs or rides on Strava, this watch fits right into your existing setup without needing any complicated workarounds. Now, let's talk about the sport modes. You get over 100 sport modes, covering everything from running, cycling, swimming, and more niche activities like rowing, strength training, or outdoor trekking. And yes, it's a 380M waterproof, so you can swim with it, shower with it, or use it in the rain without worrying. Battery life is another strong point. Inside is a 500 mAh battery, which is larger than you find in many smartwatches. Depending how much GPS you use, you can expect several days of normal use, or even with a heavy GPS tracking, it still performs well. For everyday use notifications, workouts, or occasional GPS, you are easily getting multiple days on a single charge. Now, let's move into the smart features. The Tank T6 supports Bluetooth calling, so you can answer calls directly from your wrist. The microphone and speaker are surprisingly clear for a rugged watch. It also controls earbuds, which is great if you are running or working out and want to skip tracks or adjust volume without pulling out your phone. The interface is smooth thanks to the Actions ATS3085S chip, which keeps everything responsive. Swapping through menus, opening apps, checking maps, it feels quick and fluid. And because the watch has a 4GB storage, you can even load music onto and listening without your phone. At this point, you are probably wondering what's the catch. A metal case, AMOLED display, offline maps, GPX navigation, Bluetooth calls, Strava sync, 100 sports modes, barometer, 3 ATM waterproofing, and a big battery, all for $99.99. And honestly, that's the whole appeal. The Tank T6 isn't trying to be a luxury smartwatch. It's built for people who want real outdoor features without paying premium outdoor watch prices. If you are someone who hikes, cycles, runs, or just wants a rugged smartwatch that can handle real-world use, the Tank T6 delivers way more than you expect for the price. It's durable, it's accurate, and feature-packed, and it looks great on your wrist. For $99.99 is one of the best rugged smartwatches that you can get out there at the moment. If you want to check it out, the link is down below. Grab it while still available. And that's it, guys. This was our quick review on Tank T6, this amazing smartwatch here. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, now it's time to subscribe. Like always, I'm going to leave links in the video description, so please use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family. Now catch you in the next one.